Welcome. We are delighted to introduce you to our banking as a service and embedded finance platform, expertly designed for scalability, security, and resilience. Our system incorporates a microservices architecture, thereby ensuring an ultra-reliable, fault-tolerant solution with high availability. With an extendable layer architecture, we've made the process of component replacement remarkably simple. Our continuous integration and continuous deployment (CI/CD) pipeline makes the initiation of services both fast and easy, thereby expediting service rollout and upgrades to boost reliability and efficiency. We've integrated automation features to significantly reduce the necessity for manual intervention. Next, let's dive into the flexible operational scenarios our platform offers. Primarily, the platform is capable of running autonomously, leveraging its inherent capabilities for crucial functions like ledger and accounts management, onboarding, payments modules, and anti-money laundering AML tasks. The second option utilizes our pre-built connectors. We're proud to offer a broad range of these connectors, and we're fully prepared to build new ones tailored to your specific needs. The third scenario puts you in the driver's seat, allowing you to integrate your internal systems using our comprehensive APIs. These APIs adhere strictly to the Open API 3.1 standard, offering an intuitive, developer-friendly experience. This includes support for seamless authentication, streamlined authorization, and efficient business logic processes. Moving on, our platform embodies an infrastructure-agnostic approach, which is a testament to our commitment to flexibility and adaptability. Thanks to our containerized and orchestrated model, our platform can seamlessly adapt to various hosting environments, ensuring compatibility with your existing infrastructure no matter what your infrastructure demands may be. Our platform stands ready to cater to your specific business requirements. Last but certainly not least, security and compliance are core aspects of our platform design. We've integrated advanced security features including certificate authorization, single sign-on, and dedicated security filters to ensure utmost data protection. Coupled with our extensive logging, monitoring, and alerting capabilities, the management of our platform becomes remarkably straightforward. Our strict adherence to key compliance standards, including ISO 27001, PCI, and NEST, serves to reassure that your operations will always remain secure and compliant. We will briefly explore the developer tools and the APIs available in our fully featured complementary sandbox environment. Before we can make any API calls, we need to complete 3 straightforward steps. 1. Sign up for the developer portal. 2. Register your application. 3. Get your client ID, client secret, and download your developer certificate. Let's go through these steps one at a time. The registration and sign-up process is fast and straightforward, especially if you use your Google or GitHub account. Alternatively, you may choose a traditional email-based account that isn't linked to any other authentication provider. I will be using my Google account for this demo. Once registered and signed in, you can proceed with the second step, creating your application and obtaining the client ID and client secret, essential for a PI authentication. Navigate to the application section where you can see existing applications and create new ones. Click Create, provide a suitable name for your application, and then hit Create New App. Your application, complete with the client ID and client secret, is now ready. You can conveniently copy these parameters to the clipboard for later use. In the event you suspect a security compromise, you can regenerate your client secret by simply clicking on Regenerate, which invalidates the old secret and generates a new one. Our final step is to obtain the developer certificate, which is issued to the developer, not the application. You can use this certificate with any of your applications. In the certificate section, follow the instructions to create the certificate signing request, CSR. The common name and user email in the certificate should match your registered email. Once you have the CSR, upload it and download the certificate signed by us for use with the API. These steps are essential as we prioritize the security of your users and their data. Authentication is based on OAuth 2 best practices, and each API requires an access token and your certificate for mutual SSL authentication, a dual-layer security model. Now that we have covered the prerequisites, let's explore the API on our developer portal. In the documentation section, you will find a comprehensive description of all API guides and SDK we offer. API documentation follows the API specification format, familiar to most developers. Here, you can conveniently peruse the description of every API method. For added convenience, you can download the Open API specification if you want to use it for code generation, or if you prefer working in a local editor that can display Open API specification. Lastly, for each API, we offer a Postman collection that you can download or run directly in Postman, either in a web app or your local Postman instance. This concludes our brief tour of the developer portal. Happy developing!